Hey there, olive oil lovers. Welcome back to Factory Processes, where we uncover the amazing journeys of everyday products from farm to factory and straight to your home. Today, we're diving into the world of olive oil, or as many like to call it, liquid gold. Did you know that over 3.3 million tons of olive oil are produced globally each year? That's enough oil to fill more than 1,300 Olympic-sized swimming pools. So ever wondered how this magic makes its way from ancient olive groves to your kitchen? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's get rolling. The origins of olive oil. Let's hop in our time machine and travel back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. Olive oil has a history as rich as its flavor. It was revered by the Minoans, Egyptians, and Romans, who used it for everything from cooking to lighting lamps and even religious rituals. The Greeks in particular had a serious love affair with olive oil. Fun fact, they anointed their Olympic athletes with it, believing it symbolized strength and purity. Can you imagine an athlete today getting a pre-game olive oil rub down? Talk about a pre-game ritual. And here's another tidbit. In ancient Rome, olive oil was considered so valuable that it was often used as currency. It wasn't just a kitchen staple, it was a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Fast forward to today, and olive oil is still a big deal, especially in the Mediterranean diet. It's celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits and rich, luscious taste. But what makes olive oil so good for you? Stay tuned, because we're about to dig into that. Harvesting olives. All right, let's get to the nitty-gritty, harvesting. Spain, the heavyweight champ of olive oil production, is where much of the magic happens. Picture this. Farmers in expansive olive groves using a tree shaker machine that gently shakes the trees. This process ensures only the ripest olives fall, leaving the rest to grow and mature. It's efficiency at its finest, and the best part? The trees are left unharmed. Eco-friendly and smart, right? Here's a wild fact. Spain alone produces over 1.2 million tons of olive oil each year. That's enough to keep every chef in the world happy for a lifetime, or fill hundreds of Olympic-sized swimming pools. And it's not just any olive oil. These farmers take pride in producing some of the world's finest. Ready to see what happens after the olives are collected? Buckle up, because it only gets more fascinating from here. Cleaning and preparation. Once the olives are harvested, they head straight to the factory for a serious cleaning. We're talking a full-on spa day, minus the cucumber slices. The olives are washed in state-of-the-art machines that use jets of water to remove dirt, leaves, and any impurities. And here's a little green bonus. Many modern factories have water recycling systems in place, making the whole process environmentally friendly. Sustainability for the win. Why all this fuss about cleanliness, you ask? Well, any leftover dirt or debris could spoil the flavor of the oil. And when it comes to olive oil, flavor is everything. This meticulous washing step ensures that only the purest, cleanest olives make it to the next stage. And speaking of the next stage, we're about to witness some serious crushing power. crushing and oil extraction. All right, time to crush it, literally. Traditionally, millstones were used to grind the olives into a paste. Imagine two massive stones rolling over a pile of olives. It's old school but effective. However, today's modern factories use high-tech crushers that get the job done faster and more efficiently. The goal? To create a thick, rich paste that releases all that precious oil. Once the paste is ready, it's spun in a centrifuge. This machine works at incredible speeds to separate the oil from the water in solid bits. Think of it as the ultimate oil extraction process. And here's a jaw-dropping fact for you. To make just 1 liter of extra virgin olive oil, you need up to 10 kilograms of olives. That's a whole lot of olives for a small but mighty bottle of liquid gold. Olive oil comparisons. Now let's clear up the age-old mystery. What's the deal with extra virgin olive oil versus virgin olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil is the cream of the crop. It's cold-pressed without heat or chemicals, preserving its robust flavor and high antioxidant content. It's like the superstar of oils, great for drizzling over salads or dipping bread. Virgin olive oil, on the other hand, is still made using natural methods but has a slightly higher acidity level and a milder taste. It's perfect for cooking and sautés where you don't need that full flavored punch. Both oils are healthy, but if you want the absolute best for your body and taste buds, extra virgin is the way to go. And yes, it comes with a higher price tag, but trust us, it's worth every drop. Bottling and packaging. Now, on to bottling. Once the oil passes all the rigorous quality checks, it's ready to be bottled. Machines fill each bottle with precision, and labels are carefully applied to give you all the details you need, like the oil's origin and best by date. And those dark glass bottles, they aren't just stylish. They protect the oil from sunlight, preserving its flavor and health benefits. It's all about keeping that liquid gold in peak condition. Environmental and sustainability efforts. Here's a feel-good moment. Olive oil production is a climate champion. Olive trees act as carbon sinks, soaking up CO2 from the atmosphere. Plus, many olive oil producers are now using renewable energy, like solar and wind, to power their operations. Some even recycle olive pits to generate energy. It's a win-win for the planet and your plate. And if you're wondering how olive oil compares to other oils in terms of sustainability, it's one of the best options out there. Supporting eco-friendly olive oil brands means you're contributing to a cleaner, greener world. Not bad for something that makes your food taste amazing, huh? Viewer poll. All right, olive oil enthusiasts, it's poll time. What's your absolute favorite way to use olive oil? A, drizzling over salad. B, mixing into pasta. C, roasting veggies. Or D, baking? Drop your answer in the comments below. And here's a fun bonus. Did you know olive oil can even be used in desserts like olive oil cake? It adds a moist, rich texture that's to die for. Let us know if you've ever tried it. And there you have it. From ancient olive groves to cutting-edge factories, the journey of olive oil is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a blend of tradition and technology, passion, and precision. The next time you drizzle it over your favorite dish, you'll know just how much care goes into every drop. If you enjoyed today's adventure, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mass Made for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Remember, whether you're cooking up a storm or keeping it simple, olive oil is here to make your meals healthier and tastier. Until next time, stay curious, stay green, and keep your meals golden and delicious. See you soon.